You asked for it, we did it. The Flectr 360 color line brings you new vibrantly colored reflectors, adding style and safety to your bike. They give you the same all-around visibility as our award-winning Flectr 360 Omni with its maximum reflective power. Flectr 360 protects you in the dark. From wherever car headlights are approaching, its rotating light patterns attract special attention and prevent car drivers from overlooking you. Unlike conventional reflectors, the Featherlight Flectr 360 leaves the performance of your wheels completely untouched, without adding any air drag or weight. They're nearly indestructible and easily adapt to almost every rim size. Flectr 360, always by your side to protect you and your style.